welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. We are keeping fine. We are doing all fine, not going out of the house. A quick update, my family is doing fine. My father has recovered and is doing pretty well. So I am not decked up today. I'm just wearing a normal t-shirt and my pajamas. This is how I roam around in house when I'm not shooting or when I'm not doing anything. But yes, if you've been watching my face and if you've been watching my videos, thank you so very much. And if you have not been watching it and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button right below the video. And if it's already grey, then that's fine, that's okay. And do not forget to hit that bell button also, which will tell you that my video is uploaded. I typically upload my videos on Sundays. So today's video is about a small tiny little setup for my YouTube. A lot of you who've been following me know that I started my video with the bedroom window followed by a dining table, and then finally I have created this setup for myself. And yes, without wasting a lot of time and me just chit-chatting, let's get on to the video. So here I am. This is the small little setup that I have. This is the corner where I sit, and this is a nice cozy corner of my living room where I sit. I just shoot my videos here. I have two ring lights. I will just show you in a while. I have two ring lights. One is a tiny ring light that's typically used by Chandeep for making his YouTube videos. But मैं ऐसे चुरा लेती हूँ कभी कभार when he's not around and I use it. By the way, don't tell him, he doesn't know that. Anyways, and I have another ring light where my mobile is right now. So it's an extendable ring light that I use for creating videos. So my phone is right there at the moment, and this is the setup. This is where I sit. These are small decoration pieces that I have kept here so that I don't have to run and bring them back. But there are little small stories around each of these. This is actually a kitchen vase. Not kitchen vase, this is actually kitchen stand, and it was looking very beautiful in kitchen. I thought, why not use it in the living room? So I'm using this as a vase, and then I have small these sticks which are Pampers sticks. So initially I got 30 of them. A pack has got a 30 Pampers stick. And I first got white, but then it became all white, and then I thought, okay, let's give it a little bit of more color, and that's when I got 30 more which are of brown color. So now it looks quite decorative and quite nice. By the way, I like it. If you don't like it, that's okay. There are no offenses. बुरा मानने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. किसी को कोई चीज अच्छी लगती है, किसी को नहीं लगती है. मुझे ही अच्छी लगती है. Secondly, there is a small there is a lamp. Actually, it's not a small lamp, it's quite a big lamp. I've been trying to fit in my YouTube videos. Somehow ये यहीं तक ही आती है, ऊपर दिखता नहीं है. बस इसका थोड़ा सा light effect दिखता है, but which is okay. I will try and figure out how to get this lamp in my videos. And then of course there are some candles that I use from Bath and Body. This is Sunshine and scented candle. Then this is champagne toast. This is one of my favorites. This is a 3-wick. This is 1-wick, and I have another which is lavender rose. This is also I have used, but I didn't like this fragrance much. This is one that I have not used yet, which is lavender vanilla. It's nice, but I have not used it so far. So yes, I do light them whenever I want. I don't keep a lot of candles here. I typically use one small and one big to give it a nice effect and a scented effect. So yes, this is a small little setup that I use. I will just set it up in a while and show you how it actually looks like when everything is intact and when we are ready to shoot. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have set it, and this is how my setup looks like. So I'm just right behind my couch. So my setup looks like this. So there is one ring light, as I said, that you can extend it, and there is a small hook right there where you can put your camera or your phone. Any Android phone and any smartphone, it is compatible. And then I have a small ring light. Of course, जैसे मैंने बोला चंदीप यूज़ करते हैं, अब तो पता चल ही जाएगा, which is okay. But yes, this is how it looks like from the back of the couch. And let me just, please do excuse that cords, because if you need so much of gear, you need extended cords and extended extensions. So this is how the setup looks like. There are these tiny little cushions that I have, and why they are bright and rest everything is beige and browns, because I wanted to give it a little bright effect. Pura living house was looking like one color, so to give it some oomph factor, I have used these colorful cushion covers. So yes, this is how the setup looks like, and I will just show you from the front. The background that you see, where you see is the curtains, is where, you know, my balcony opens. And yes, it looks very beautiful from there. But while you have to make videos, you have to make sure that, you know, there is no background. There's not a lot of background lighting. The light should come, actually should fall actually on your face. And this is how it looks. So yes, this is how my tiny little corner looks like, where I create my YouTube videos. A little yarn time. It is not important for you to have a lot of gears. The most important thing is that you should start to create videos. I started creating videos, and I know a lot of YouTubers also who create videos by using their phones. You don't even need an iPhone. You just need a smartphone. Any Android phone, any iPhone that you're using should be good enough to create good videos. And these smartphones are quite good, yeah. I mean, you don't have to buy very heavy cameras to start shooting videos. If you're start creating content, get confidence to talk on camera, because camera पे आप सिर्फ ऐसा लगता है कि अपने आप से ही बात कर रहे हो, and it becomes very difficult to, you know, keep yourself also engaged and motivated to, you know, talk to a camera with a lens on and, you know, all of that setup. So yes, that's very important. It is going to be easier when, you know, there are no people around you. You can just sit, talk, think about the content that you're going to create, and your phone is enough. The second most important thing which you need is, of course, the editor. In my initial videos, I have not edited any versions, because that's how I wanted it to go. But you know, while you create content and while you create a lot of videos, there are a lot of things that you tend to, you know, talk in a flow. But then once you're reviewing it, you realize that this is not relevant, and, you know, let's chop it off. So that's where the editor helps you. It also helps you to give a nice video essence, in sense that, you know, if you put some pictures, some colors, it gives the way, you know, the video transition from one cut to another cut. It gives a very nice view. And the video editor that I have been using, there are two of them. The first one is Camtasia. I have used that once upon a time when I used to edit Chandeep's videos. That's about 7-8 years ago, guys. I'm not using Camtasia anymore, but I know how to use it. The latest one that I'm using is Wondershare Filmora. That's a nice editor. It gives me, I have now been editing it for about, I think, 9 or 8 videos I have edited through Filmora, and it's doing a great job. Of course, you need some gear. You need, even if you do not want to buy you know, an editor which works on laptops or on desktops, you do also have you know, video editors which are available on mobile, or there are apps where, you know, you can use video editor over phone also. So if you do not have a laptop, or if you do not have any desktop, that's fine. You can still edit your videos over phone. I use, as I said, I use Camtasia, and I use my laptop. I have an HP laptop. You know, I create editable and, you know, publishable videos. So yes, this is my tiny little YouTube setup. I hope you really liked it, and if you have any other suggestions to make it more lively, please let me know. Put your comments down below, and I'll be happy to see if I can make it more beautiful and more visually effect. But what's more important is the content that you create. So here I am. And if you want me to make any other video that you would like to listen about, please do give me a shout out, or DM me or put that in the comments below. I will try and create a video for you. So yes, take care and be safe, stay safe. Wait for my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.